First of all, subscribe to the channel and leave your like to receive more scientific and updated content about health, weight loss, and wellness. Your support is essential for us to continue bringing exclusive and reliable information. Now, let's talk about a revolutionary discovery in the field of weight loss that promises to transform the way we understand fat burning. Recent research in metabolic biochemistry and natural pharmacology has identified an unprecedented fat burner formula that acts directly on the physiological processes responsible for fat storage and breakdown. Unlike conventional products, this innovation is based on advanced natural compounds whose efficacy and safety have been rigorously proven in clinical studies conducted by independent laboratories. The main mechanism of this formula is the activation of thermogenesis, a biological process in which the body raises its internal temperature to burn calories. This increase in resting energy expenditure means the body consumes more calories, even without intense physical activity, favoring continuous and efficient weight loss, especially in difficult areas such as visceral abdominal fat. Additionally, the selected ingredients have proven action on appetite control. They modulate hormone levels related to hunger and satiety, reducing food cravings and preventing episodes of binge eating, which are major obstacles for those seeking to lose weight. This control helps maintain a balanced diet, essential for lasting results. Another critical point is the improvement of insulin sensitivity, a key factor for metabolic balance and prevention of fat accumulation. Insulin resistance is one of the main villains of abdominal obesity and associated metabolic diseases. The formula helps restore this sensitivity, facilitating the proper use of nutrients and avoiding excessive fat storage. It is important to emphasize that this solution is not available in common pharmacies. To ensure quality, safety, and efficacy, the product is sold exclusively through official channels, avoiding the risks of adulteration or counterfeiting that can compromise the user's health. This exclusivity also guarantees specialized support for those who acquire the treatment. Since this is a treatment that promotes deep and lasting metabolic changes, the minimum recommended duration is 6 months. This period allows the body to progressively adapt, ensuring consistent and sustainable results without the yo-yo effect. Continuity and discipline are essential to maximize the benefits of this discovery. If you are looking for a scientifically proven solution to accelerate your weight loss naturally, safely, and effectively, this is the opportunity you have been waiting for. To learn all the details, purchase conditions, and usage guidelines, access the link in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video to keep receiving the most relevant and up-to-date information from the world of science applied to weight loss.